How to see who like you on Plenty of Fish. The first thing to do is to log into your account. Now, you might be thinking or you might be curious about those two people who like you and their pictures are still covered. So it's really hard to know the face of the person. To resolve your problem, all you have to do is to upgrade your account. Here it says go premium and date free. So all you have to do is to select any of this monthly payment here. Now, after clicking that one, it will take you to some payment providers and payment method. Example, we have Visa and then we have also PayPal. So just click what fits you. Now you're heading to payment method. So all you have to do is to review and click and continue to upgrade your account. If you choose GCash, then all you have to do is to scan QR code to pay to unlock some features on Plenty of Fish. One of these is to see who like you and who wants to meet you. Thanks for watching.